Welcome to the unboxing and setup video for the Epson SureColor F570 dye sublimation printer. In this video, we will be going over the contents of the printer, as well as the steps in building and getting it set up for printing. Remove the top cardboard box cover. Remove the first set of inks. The plastic bag with the user manual. The plastic bag with the Epson Edge software, and set aside. Remove the second set of inks from inside the styrofoam packaging and set aside. Remove the optional cut sheet paper tray and power cable. Set aside. Remove the 2 rolls of 17-inch paper and the 24-inch roll of paper and set aside. Remove the styrofoam packaging. Note, the maintenance box is in the side of the packaging. Please set aside for future use. Remove the plastic wrapping from the printer and use 2 people. Evenly lift the printer to a stand or counter. Remove all the blue tape. Place the shipping key in a safe place. Continue to remove the blue shipping tape from inside the print cover, sheet feeder, and rollers. Remove the styrofoam from the roller. On the back left side of the printer, remove the blue tape from the maintenance box cover. Note that the printer comes with a maintenance box already installed. Keep the extra one handy. Install the power plug. Note the available USB and Ethernet ports. Lift the graphic user interface and power on the machine. Follow the prompts to set up the machine with date and time. It's time to add the ink. Each bottle is keyed to the correct color. Don't shake the bottles, but turn upside down a couple of times to stir the pigment ink. One at a time, insert the black, magenta, yellow, and cyan bottles. You will have leftover ink in each bottle. Set aside for future use. Close the ink cover and refer to the graphic user interface for further instructions. Note the ink levels. Go back to the graphic user interface and continue to initialize the printer. This will take some time. Initialization is complete. Take the 24-inch roll of paper, open the print cover, remove the paper spool. Insert the paper so that it feeds over the top. Place the spool into the printer and feed it into the printer. Close the print cover and refer to the graphic user interface and do a nozzle check. Note the nozzle patterns on the graphic user interface. See which pattern resembles the printed nozzle check and enter that into the graphic user interface. If you're going to do a lot of cut sheet printing, you may want to install the optional cut feed paper tray. This is optional and is not necessary for normal printer operation. Open the printer cover and expand the cut sheet paper guide. Insert a few sheets of letter size paper and do a nozzle check to ensure the paper feeds correctly. If you have questions about the Epson SC F570 or need supplies, reach out to us at 1-800-4-LexJet or visit LexJet.com.